Today we're going to take a look at the Proton Model 1100 Degaussing Wand. It's a great manual degausser, so come on in and we'll show you how it works. So with degaussing wands, you have to actually remove the covers of the hard drive and erase the platters inside manually. Some hard drives will have multiple platters inside of the hard drive. To erase these platters, this is where all the data is held, and that's what you want to demagnetize and wipe. You simply take the degaussing wand out of the protective shield, take the platter where all the data is held, and you're going to wipe, maintaining contact with the disc from the middle to the perimeter, just like this. This is demagnetizing the disc, totally sanitizing it, and erasing the data that's recorded on there. You'll have to do it to both sides, and to meet NSA requirements, it's recommended you do this 3 times. When you're done using it, it's important to make sure you put the wand back into the protective shield in case. This shield is a magnetic field, so it won't stick to other metal objects or have any stray magnet field escaping, because it is a powerful magnet. Thanks for watching. Feel free to contact us with any questions, and you can find more information on our website, www.protondata.com.